What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to change language in Duolingo app. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Duolingo application. Once you're there, as you can see, I have started with a language. It is currently German. So tap on this on the upper left corner and then just again click on or swipe to the right and tap on course. And here you can just change it to any language you want. Suppose you want French, tap on French and then tap on continue, and then your course will be changed from here, just from tapping French to German. And currently it is French, again it is German, now it is French. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.